Hello, this is a quick video to show you how you can use your graphics display calculator to graph or reciprocal functions. Really simple one, so I'll just start off with a nice straightforward one like f of x equals 3.2 divided by x, so 3.2 over x. So that's how you type it in, so 3.2 and then use the division button on your calculator and then /x and then press enter. And you'll get that shape that we should have discussed in class by the time you're watching this, and that is you've got the hyperbola here and here. You can sort of see that the asymptotes are not written in, but you can sort of see by the shape of the graph where they are. The asymptotes are the axes in this instance. And then if you want to get particular values to get that one other point that I should have mentioned in class by now as well, you draw this graph, you draw in your hyperboles, and then you would use something like the menu. Under menu there's trace graph, and then you can go graph trace and select the graph. Oh, unfortunately I was selecting the wrong thing. There we go. And then you can use your arrow keys to sort of move across it and write down the value. Like for example 1.07 would be an example. And if you keep on going this way, it'll eventually swing over to the right hand side as well, and you can find -3, -1.07. Due to the symmetrical nature of the graph, I'm hoping you can see why it would be negative, negative, and positive, positive. Alternatively, if you wanted to specifically look for a particular value, you could put in a new function. Like for example, if I was looking for the value specifically at y equals 1, for example, although you should be able to figure it out for yourself for this one, but I could go add another function, so Control G, and then in my second function I'll just make it f of 2 of x equals 1, press return, and then you've got that bar there. So it's crossing through like so. And then under menu, you can hit analyze graph and intersection, and then go either side of where it intersects there. And you can see there that when y equals 1, x equals 3.2, which is a pretty simple solve to do anyway, isn't it? If you substituted the value in. But just saying that is available there if you wanted to use a graph to try and work out a specific point. Okay, I'll leave the video here and ask me any questions if you're not too sure.